All your home electronics use a lot of wires and cables. It's hard to keep them straight. They can be a real rat's nest that's hard to decipher. A lot of people resort to a strip of tape and label that, but after a couple of years, even that doesn't work because it leaves a gooey, gummy residue on the wires and they get all sticky. I've found a better way using a very simple household implement. It's the little plastic ties that come on bread loaves and packages of fresh vegetables. You get them all over the place at the market. Collect them, save them. Use a Sharpie to label them any way you want. They don't get brittle and flake off like tape, and they stay on the wire. They'll fit on just about any kind of cable. They come in all colors, so you can use color coding to identify your cables. If you thought this was a handy tip, please like or subscribe and check out some of my other how-to videos. They're all over this channel.